Welcome back to Inside Whatagraph. In this episode, we'll show you how to go from data to insights in seconds using Whatagraph IQ, your AI-powered reporting companion. Instead of building reports from scratch, Whatagraph IQ turns your raw data into a structured, insight-ready report automatically. To get started, click Create Report and choose Whatagraph IQ. First, select your data source. You can start with one channel or combine multiple for a more complete view of performance. Next, describe what you want to see, for example, a marketing impact report or monthly performance overview. You can use a suggested prompt or write your own simple or detailed. Once you're ready, let Whatagraph IQ do the work, building your report structure, selecting metrics, and applying a clean layout automatically. In seconds, your report is ready, complete with visuals, widgets, and key insights based on your data. Need more detail? Just ask. Whatagraph IQ creates a text summary of your performance, highlighting wins, issues, and key trends automatically. You can customize this summary to match your brand voice, focus on specific metrics, or tailor it to your audience. You can even set this summary to auto-update so your insights always reflect the latest data without manual work. It can also generate new tabs or add widgets instantly. No manual setup required. Just type what you need. Want to dig deeper? Use IQ Chat to ask questions and explore performance, all in natural language. You can also enable reader-facing chat when sharing your report, so stakeholders can explore insights on their own, without extra back and forth. To make reports stakeholder-ready, upload a visual, and Whatagraph IQ will automatically apply your brand's look and feel. From here, you can fine-tune everything, adjust widgets, layouts, or data to match your exact needs. You can also transform your data using AI. Go to Dimensions and describe how you want to enrich it, and Whatagraph IQ will create custom dimensions for you. No manual setup needed. What used to take hours, building, analyzing, and formatting reports, now takes minutes. Whether you're creating client reports, internal dashboards, or campaign reviews, Whatagraph IQ adapts to your workflow. In the next Inside Whatagraph episodes, we'll dive deeper into no-code data transformation and advanced reporting workflows. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.